Have you ever wanted to remove checkout fields? Well, now you can with a free code snippet. This is different to anything we've ever done before. This now is going to allow you to tick and untick what you see without messing around with too much code. The process is always simple. You go and click the link, you get the code snippet. Big thanks to Mark Harris. You go and paste it into Code Snippets, the #1 WordPress plugin for your website if you really want to take it places. You paste it in, you save changes, and then you activate. And this is what you'll see. You can now start to deactivate the billing or the shipping fields. Now, if you've got a downloadable or a virtual product, you don't have to worry about the shipping fields. Well, let's just pretend you have got them. You just go and you tick them, basically. I was going to say uncheck. You want to check it, right? You tick it to say you don't want to show it. So just to show you how this works, I'm going to get rid of the first name, the last name, the company region, and I'm just going to leave the phone and email address. That is ludicrous, right? But let me just say that's what I want to do. And I want to get rid of the order notes as well. I'm going to leave these one unchecked because I've got virtual products here. So let's go and hit save changes. Here's my cart, and you can see I've got items in there. Proceed to checkout, and look at all those fields. They're not there. I haven't got the shipping fields anyway because they were virtual products, but look at that. I just have the phone and the email address visible. And that's all thanks to this black magic code snippets that we have over here. I'm Imran Web Squadron. Big thanks to Mark. I'll see you soon.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life.